Hi everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to create a churn risk calculator in Outgrow, step by step. Let's get started. First, log in to your Outgrow dashboard. Once you're in, you'll see a variety of content types you can create, from quizzes and surveys to calculators and chatbots. For this tutorial, we'll select numerical calculator since we're building a churn risk calculator. You can either start from scratch or use one of the pre-made templates. For now, I'll open a pre-made template so you can see how it works. Let's name this calculator Customer Churn Risk Calculator. Here, you can customize the layout, choose your theme colors, and apply your brand guidelines. Outgrow makes it super easy to match the look and feel of your brand. Now let's set up the question. The first question is a drop-down. How long has the customer been with your company? Next, we'll add a rating question, then a single select question, and so on. You can mix different question types depending on what data you want to capture. You can also adjust the design or advanced settings for each question. Once all your questions are ready, head over to the results section. Here, you can define the result. You can add a short description, upload icons or images, and style it however you like. After everything looks good, hit preview to test your calculator. If you're happy with it, click go live and your churn risk calculator is ready to share. That's how simple it is to build a churn risk calculator in Outgrow. If you'd like to create your own interactive tools like this, head over to outgrow.co and start building today.